welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be reviewing or unboxing the July 2023 Ipsy slash BoxyCharm box. Super excited because this is a big one. When I saw this come in the mail, I was like, okay, what is in here? So I'm very excited to rip this open and see what we got this month. So yeah, before we get into the actual unboxing part of it, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel if you love these kinds of videos or just anything to do with makeup or self-tan. This is the channel for you guys. Please make sure you're subscribed. But if you want to see me unbox this BoxyCharm slash Ipsy box, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, like I said, I'm very excited about this one because it is thick and I want to see what is so big in here. So yeah, we're gonna get started right away on unboxing. I already took the tab off of this because I didn't want to be like cutting it on camera for you guys, so I just saved us the time. I promise I did not peek though. I have no idea what's in here as usual. It's just as much a surprise to me as it is to you. We're in this together. So yeah, I literally just took the tab off so I wouldn't struggle with it in front of you guys. But basically on the front it says Ipsy. I love this like pinkish, purplish, bluish kind of like color it has going on. It says Glam Bag BoxyCharm Icon Box Refreshment. I don't know what that means, but then opening it up, it just says Ipsy and then a little Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok thing on it. And then it just says Ipsy. Okay, and then let's see what this is. Please tell me this is a box, or I mean a card saying what's in here. Please, please, please. It just says The Great Escape. Oh my god, does it? No, it doesn't. Okay, this is about like a sale or something. Ipsy, please, please give us cards that say what the products are in here. I cannot stress enough. It's getting very frustrating. BoxyCharm did it for as long as I had BoxyCharm, and it was very convenient so you could read the details on the products, see how much they cost, see what they are. So please start doing that again, please. Anyways, I'm gonna just start picking products out of the box and we're gonna see what they are, what they do. If there's anything that we could try, we will try it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to Google them again as usual, so bear with me for that. But first product in here, Natasha Denona Fez palette. So it's a 5 eyeshadow palette. Okay, oh, that explains it, because I got an email from Ipsy or BoxyCharm or whoever saying that like some people were reporting like the product falling out or like making a mess, but they were saying like the product is still good to use, don't worry. So that's why, because I did get this. Okay, so this is cute, but the first thing that I kind of like set in my head when I just like took it out of this box was I don't see myself really using these colors. If I'm being too honest, I don't like cool tones on me really, so I feel like this blue I'm never really gonna dig into. I don't really gravitate to orange specifically. I like more like natural, neutral kind of warm tones. Gold I never wear on my lids. Like I never ever do gold because I just don't think it looks right on me. But the two colors I do see myself grabbing for are these two on the ends. This is gonna be such a nice shade to like set your eyes before you start going in and blending things. This is gonna be such a nice brown to line my waterline with, which I'm literally gonna do right now. But let me see if I can find this for you guys, 1 second. Okay, so it says the value is $48, so amazing, I figured, because it's Natasha Denona, so I'm very excited about this. It's a full-size product. It says, inspired by nature's powerful elements, this collection of desert browns and deep blues is the perfect palette to create stunning eye looks. This blend of 5 calming shades can be mixed and matched for peaceful summer moments where you want to blend or stand out. How to use it: pack on shades with a dense shadow brush and blend with a fluffer brush to diffuse. That sounds amazing. So let me swatch for you guys. Give me 1 second and I'll be right back. So that's what they were talking about. I literally went like this and that brown shade completely came out. So yeah, that sucks. Here are the swatches. Obviously they're all very, very pigmented. They're so creamy when you touch them, so they feel amazing. They look amazing, but this does really suck that that just happened. Like it literally just like plopped out, which also would have sucked really bad if I didn't have this box sitting on my lap, because it would have spilled on my pants that are pink and I would have been very, very sad and upset because it would have ruined my pants. So yeah, I don't love that this happened, especially when the product itself is pretty expensive. Like $48 for something of this size is already a hefty price tag, and then for the product to literally just like plop out and break right in front of me before ever even trying it kind of sucks. So I am really just gonna take like one of these brushes and take that lightest shade and just brush it onto my lids, because honestly guys, I'm going somewhere after this and I don't want to mess with like blues and stuff when I know they're not gonna look good on me. So I'm gonna stick to what I know. But this is a really pretty neutral. It is a little bit more like yellow toned for some reason than I was expecting, but it's still really pretty. Like it looks good. It just definitely has like a yellowness to it. I accidentally just swiped blue eyeshadow on my eyes, so that is awesome. As I was talking about how I don't want to do that. And then I'm just gonna take like this angled, like really sharp thin brush, and I'm gonna take that brown, hopefully it doesn't break on me again, and I'm gonna line my waterline, like the top, with this and just see what it does, because I've been really into doing that lately. Okay, I just put it like a little eyeliner on my eyes and I absolutely love how it turned out. That took me like 2 seconds to do because the product is so pigmented, so it literally just glided on. So overall, as like a palette, it's beautiful, it's amazing, and I definitely would continue to use it. I think just the way that it's packaged needs to be worked on because it's very, very messy. Next product I'm seeing, Kate Somerville. I love Kate Somerville. This is the EXFOLIKATE Extensive Exfoliating Treatment. If this is what I think it is, I've already tried it and I love it. Let me see. Yup, I have tried this product, you guys. I love this stuff. It is amazing. It works so well to exfoliate your face, and it literally just feels so soft and smooth after using it. Like I would use this a couple times a week and my skin was doing so well when I was using this stuff. Let me find this one. Now I'm on like the BoxyCharm / Ipsy site, so I think I can find this a lot quicker. Yes. Okay, so this has a value of $98, which is absolutely insane. It's very expensive, but it's so worth it. This is an exfoliating treatment. It says, want glowier, more youthful looking skin? It's easy with help from this exfoliating treatment. It helps remove dead skin cells from the surface of your skin with results that have been clinically proven to show improved skin texture, refined pores, and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. I don't know about the fine lines and wrinkles thing. I've never noticed anything with that, but as for pores and just texture, this stuff works, you guys. Like, it is insane. It's like this weird, like green, like a dark green color. It smells very like plant-ish, like earthy, but it feels so good going on your face. Like you could feel it exfoliating. It just is so good. Let me just like put some on the back of my hand so you could just see like what it looks like a little bit. Here, I just put it like on the corner so you could see. And it's like, it has these teensy weensy little like granules in it that like obviously do the exfoliating, and it feels so good and it works, you guys. Like, I love this stuff. I'm so excited that I got this again without actually having to pay the $98 because it's expensive, but it's very worth it. Next we have, oh my god, I am a mess today. We have the Well People, which is a new brand to me, Revitalizing Dew Snow Mushroom Eye Gel Cream. This is interesting. I've never heard of this before. So this goes for $18. This is a lot more affordable. It's 0.5 ounces, so it's half an ounce. It's an eye cream. It says, rise and shine. This lightweight yet rich eye cream is powered by ingredients like aloe extract, broccoli seed oil, snow mushroom, and niacinamide to help plump and hydrate your skin. It helps revive dull skin around the eyes and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And then morning and night, gently dab cream around your eye area with your ring finger. So that sounds really, really nice. I feel like a lot of the products or ingredients that they used, I've never heard of being used in like eye creams or just moisturizers in general. Let me see. I want to see what it feels like on the back of my hand. It's literally just like a clear gel, as you can see. Let me just like, okay. It's not like the most lightweight. Like I would have thought that this would be super, super lightweight. It has a little bit of a thickness to it, but in a good way. Like it feels really good. It's like the perfect amount of like light, but not too light, not thick. And it actually has like a cooling effect to it. Like it feels kind of cooling. This is really nice, you guys. Okay, I'm actually very, very excited to continue playing with this. Like I'm gonna try this tonight when I take my makeup off and see how it feels on my eyes and just try to continue using it and see. Next up we have, what is this? The Beauty Crop Lipped Cream Lip Kit. It's a set of hydrating liquid lipstick and long-lasting lip liner. So it says it goes for $20. There's 2 products in here. It's a set. It says date night on your calendar. This lipstick and lip liner set will help you get the most kissable lips ever. Enriched with nourishing shea butter and jojoba oil, the liquid lipstick provides a semi-matte finish that lasts all day while cushioning and helping to protect your lips. And for that extra oomph, this liner is perfect for defining and sculpting your pout so it lasts all night. Glide the gel or the liner over your lip line before swiping on the cream lipstick. So I don't know why I just read the how to use. I think you guys know how to apply a lip product. So taking it out of here, this packaging is like, it's a lot of packaging. So here they are. Let me put these on the back of my hand too. Ooh, this is creamy. I actually love this color. This is exactly the kind of color that I gravitate towards like regularly. BoxyCharm, you know me so well. Or Ipsy, whatever it is. Here they are. This is the liner. This is the lipstick. They are beautiful. I feel like I really like the color that I'm wearing on my lips right now. But for the sake of the video, I'm gonna do it. Let's like put some. I'm just gonna put it on top of what I already have on. Alright, I don't know if you guys saw how easy that was to apply, but I literally feel like both of those products, like I barely touched my lips and they just coated like so nicely. The lip liner felt like it like went on so precisely too without having to put too much effort into it. Like it was just really, really nice to use. And this liquid lipstick, even though it's on top of like a gloss that I was already wearing, it feels really, really good on my lips. And this color is gorgeous. This is exactly the kind of color that I like to use, especially in the colder months. So this came in time for me to use like once fall starts rolling around. So I'm very, very excited to continue using this. And then last but not least, I have Natasha Denona eyeshadow all over this, but this is ID.AZ Dermastic Glow or Gold Fit Mask. Oh, these are sheet masks. Oh, is this like a, what is this? So this goes for $39. There's 3 sheet masks in here, so it's not cheap, that's for sure. It says, gold and honey are the ultimate power couple in this mask, working together to help brighten and nourish your skin. But the ingredient list doesn't stop there. With soothing aloe vera, brightening pomegranate, and glow-giving ginseng, this mask is seriously powerful, helping to leave your skin looking plump and luminous. Smooth the sheet mask over your face and leave it on for at least 10 minutes. then remove and tap the remaining serum into your skin. Okay, this sounds beautiful. I obviously cannot try one for you guys right now, unfortunately, because I have a full face of makeup on, but I am here for it. Like, the ingredients in here sound amazing. It's like the exact kind of sheet mask that I would go out and buy for myself, because I'm constantly trying to like brighten my complexion and plump my skin up and, you know, those things. So this is nice. These are not light either. Like, they have some weight to them, so I feel like this is gonna be a really good product. I honestly think I might use this tonight when I get home. Like, I feel like once I take my makeup off, I'm hopefully gonna be in the mood for a sheet mask, and I really, really wanna try this because it's been a while since I've done one. So this could not have come to me at a better time. So I am definitely gonna try this, and I'll keep you guys posted what this does for me. So yeah, that is all 5 products in my box for this month, you guys. Like, I feel like I got a lot of really, really good things this month. I'm very excited to keep playing with all of these and see what they do for me. I feel like overall, this was a really good, solid box, and I'm gonna use all the products in it. So I'm a happy girl this month, but that's it for today. So comment, let me know what you got in your boxes, if we got the same thing, if we got different things, or if you don't have BoxyCharm, just let me know what you think of what was in here. Let me know what other videos you guys want. Give this a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.